When deciding between Asana and Monday for your CRM needs, it can be tough to figure out which one will actually help you manage client relationships most effectively. In this video, I'm going to compare these two powerful project management tools to help you make an informed decision. But here's the catch: by the end of the video, I'll share a better alternative that could be exactly what you're looking for. Let's start with Asana. Asana is known for its simplicity and flexibility. It's a solid option if you're just getting started with CRM tools, as it allows for easy project tracking, task management, and team collaboration. You can set up tasks, create timelines, and track progress, all without much of a learning curve. However, Asana's CRM capabilities are somewhat limited. It's not built specifically for CRM, so you'll have to get creative by using custom fields and additional integrations. If you're looking for something that can track clients and interactions in a streamlined way, you might find yourself pushing the tool beyond its core strengths. Next thing, let's talk about Monday. Monday offers a bit more customization when it comes to creating workflows, and its user interface is more visually engaging than Asana's. You get customizable dashboards, which is perfect if you want to visualize your CRM data in various ways. The tool's ability to handle multiple project views, like Kanban boards, calendars, and timelines, makes it a versatile option for CRM tasks. But Monday isn't perfect either. The learning curve is steeper compared to Asana, and while it's more CRM focused, it doesn't have the depth of features you might expect from a dedicated CRM tool. So, if you're expecting a fully fledged CRM solution, you might be disappointed. The third thing to consider is integrations. Both Asana and Monday offer robust integration options with tools like Gmail, Slack, and Google Drive. However, Asana's integrations seem to be a little more straightforward and easier to set up. On the other hand, Monday does offer integrations with more specialized tools, which might be useful depending on your business needs, but the setup can feel a bit clunky. Now, let's talk about pricing. Asana offers a free version that's great for smaller teams or personal use, but if you want to unlock its premium features, you'll need to go for one of the paid plans. Monday also offers a free plan, but to really use it effectively for CRM purposes, you'll need to jump into their paid plans. The pricing can get expensive, especially if you need multiple features unlocked. So, if cost is a factor in your decision, both tools can add up quickly depending on your team size. The fourth thing to look at is scalability. Asana tends to be better for smaller to mid-sized teams who need simple, quick CRM solutions. Monday, however, can scale up more easily with larger teams and more complex workflows. If your business is growing fast and requires more detailed CRM capabilities, Monday might be a better choice, but be ready for that steeper learning curve. Now, before you make your decision, here's the truth. Both Asana and Monday are solid tools, but if you're really focused on CRM and want something that combines simplicity with powerful features, I've got a recommendation for you. After testing all of them myself, I found a better alternative that truly shines in the CRM department. If you want a better solution for CRM that actually works without the frustration of pushing a tool beyond its limits, check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. So, while Asana and Monday can be decent options for CRM, if you want something that's built for the job, along with the best trial deal available, click that link. You won't regret it.